This is Ashok from Mita Iris Township, sir. I'm secretary of the association. Sir, first and foremost, I would like to thank you, sir, because you are initiating a very good, very good things are getting initiated. Here, I would like to first we need to just, I'm okay to the plan what you are saying, sir. I can arrange some 30 volunteers. We'll do it, sir. We'll do the best from our side. So first that is a very important thing. Instead of discussing all these problems, so you have something to do for the society. So you're coming forward for that. So surely we'll stand with you, sir. We'll help you out in this, and all other problems we'll sort it out later. But for now, you're discussing about the waste management, and you have the plan for it, and we are with you, sir. And I can arrange 30 volunteers from my side, from our association side. That is very important. I would other problems, yes, surely, sir, will address. Sir, we are association, sir. We have the volunteers are there with us. We'll help you out, sir. Sure. For sure. Thank you so much.
For solid waste management, you have come up with your issues. We have taken note of that. We are already doing that. So, just again, I am not able to identify those persons who will be ready. Like only one team I have identified. They will be giving 10 volunteers. Sir is there. Others all are there or not?
Sir, you give contact number, sir. We will call you.
We will discuss with our people association members.
Clean Hosur, right? For that, one is we are already doing. Corporation is doing, government is doing. We cannot do it 100%. It's still like we are trying to improve. I know a lot of. I go through public profiles also or public messages. A lot of appreciation is also there for corporation. A lot of criticism also there for corporation. So I know that we cannot do 100%. But I want your support also for cleaning up the drive. What I want to create one 1,000, 2,000 volunteers team. So whenever we need to mobilize, let's say we have to, next is the Saturday, tomorrow is Saturday. Let's say tomorrow Saturday we pick up one ward number 3. That ward number 3 has to be completely clean. For that we have our personals, but for that we will do what? We will mobilize around 1,000 persons one day only, and we will clean up that. Again next Saturday we will take up some other ward and we will clean up that ward fully, thoroughly we will clean it up. So for that, my purpose was to call all of you. If you are able to arrange that kind of volunteers for us, let's say one NGO is there which can mobilize 100 people. Another association that can mobilize another 100 people. And that way, if we are able to reach to 1,000 people, so at that one way or one day only, Saturday only, we will call and we will clean whatever the wards we are picking or whatever the areas we are picking up, and we will completely clean it. So I want your input in that. No issue. Sunday only. Sunday generally people take rest. No. But Saturday, yes, you might have to go also, some people. Sunday will be best. Sunday, madam, it is not going to be like... Okay.
Sir, on behalf of CMC also, we are also ready to join, sir, because already we are doing lot of campaigns
so like
based on...
how many personal volunteers can you mobilize?
We can arrange college students. Along with that, our educators are there, CMCA volunteers are there. Around 780 people we can arrange, sir.
Good.
Right.
So
we are willing to work.
which-
And Titan company. And one more thing I want to update, sir. Recently, our CMCA is a 25...
Coming and so my plan was to start from tomorrow itself, but I think from next week we'll do. So we'll take the number of all the associations head, all the NGOs head already have number. We'll try to fix this spot. 1 week Munnalina spot fix pandre. Okay. Again we will call all of you. And 8 o'clock Madri, 7 o'clock Madri, we will arrange gloves, we'll arrange mask, everything we'll arrange. All you have to come and support us. And not just for cleaning. Apart from that, let's see, there are some persons who are good in doing painting. Okay, so next step is like beautification. If some persons can do wall painting, no, so please help in doing wall painting also. Other things also, some is like we have to remove these hoardings and all. You must have seen all the posters there. It's very nuisance to eyes also. Okay, then we'll arrange volunteers one day to clean all the posters. So Anna Madre plan put hai. We'll start with cleaning our hotspots. So thank you all for coming. I hope we'll try to mobilize 1,000 people next week, next Sunday. Ma'am, you plan pick up like some of the hotspots. Okay.
Sir, I'd also